Well, here we are again, ladies and gentlemen. We've got our stock in the vise over here, set to 0. Hope we don't make the same mistake we made before. I don't think I am, but you never know. We got everything ready to go, so we're all set up. I hope the plunge rate isn't too much. We're still only going to go 1/8 of an inch deep right now. These holes will eventually be pet drilled all the way through, and then I'll follow it up with a proper size drill bit for a 1024 screw head, or screw to go through, not the head. But so let's go back around here. We got another keyboard over here, another little wireless one. Great little things here. Until I get a little better situated here, I've got the monitor kind of in a bad location for me, but a good location for itself. So as you can see, we're all chucked up, we're leveled out. Got a little lubrication over here. Want to get it wet. A little dabby right there. Alright, love that tap magic. It's good stuff. So, let's see what happens. Well, there we have it. Let me move this carriage out of the way. Thought I heard something burr up here on this 4th hole. As you can see, it's a little bit larger looking than the other ones in the top right hand corner. A little bit of a lip sticking up around it. Probably picked up a little burr on the bit. Probably should be using a 2 fluted end mill for that, but I want to change it out and put just a regular 1/8 inch drill bit in there and finish it up from here. So there's the first part of it. I'll have it drilled here shortly. See you then.